This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim!
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. We're giving away our old toys. Come on. Old toys.
Come on, Tim.
We're moving house soon, so Mummy says we should give away some of our old toys. She wants us to put old toys that we don't play with anymore into a big box. Then take them to the charity shop for other children to buy.
Are you okay, Tim?
No, Mummy. I don't want to give away our old toys.
Oh, Tim. Come on. One step at a time.
I'll help. Thank you, Topsy.
Okay, Topsy and Tim. Please try and find some old toys and fill up this box.
I don't want to. It's not fair. We love all our toys, Mummy.
Oh, please try to find some old toys that you don't play with anymore. You could start by looking in here, Tim. There you go. And I will come back in a minute to see how full the box is.
Oh, this box is full of all my old cars. Oh. And this one was always my favourite. Nino, Nino, zoom. Come on, Tim. You need to be putting some of your old toys in the box. I don't want to. I'm going to try. Bye-bye, old Teddy. Topsy! Sorry, Tim. Keep on throwing the toys down, and I'll catch them. Bye-bye, knitted zebra. So I throw Chicky Duck and knitted zebra and Digger down to Tim, and all my other toys from the shelf too. Bye-bye, monkey hen. Bye, big monkey. Finished. The box is still empty. Where are all of my toys, Tim? And what about your cars? I've hidden everything, all our old toys, under the bed, so we can keep them. Can I see? Yes. Hello, Chicky Duck.
Have you finished in there, twin?
We're going to have to tell Mummy that we want to keep all of our old toys, Tim. I know that.
Apple juice and biscuits for the workers. Oh. Why aren't there any old toys in your charity box?
You say. No, you say. We're sorry, Mummy. We hid all of our toys under the bed. Because we want to keep them.
Oh, Topsy and Tim. You don't have to give away your old toys if you don't want to. But it would be a very kind thing if you did.
Why?
Well, because you don't play with them anymore, do you? And other children might like to. Look, we're moving house soon, and that's the perfect time to get rid of anything that we don't need anymore.
I've decided that my toys can go in the box.
Are you sure about this, Topsy?
Yes, I don't play with them anymore. And other children might like to.
Oh, that's very kind of you, Topsy. Good girl. Tim?
I don't want to give away my old cars, Mummy.
Even though Topsy's giving away her teddies?
No, thank you.
But someone else would love to play with your old cars, Tim.
Really? How about if you chose one to keep and you gave the rest away? Okay. I know exactly which car I want to keep. This one. My fast flashing car.
Well done, Topsy. Oops, excuse me, Tim. Coming through, beep, beep. Thank you.
I can't see where I'm going. The charity shop are going to be so pleased with all of our old toys, aren't they?
Oh, they really are, Topsy.
Mrs. O'Dell.
Hello.
I'm Robbie from the estate agent. Come to put your soul sign up.
Oh, great. Thank you, Robbie.
Oh, Mummy, please may I help Robbie put the sign up?
Yes, of course you can, Tim. Just stay safely on the front lawn for me.
Okay. Sold.
Yes, sold. Somebody's going to buy your house. Did you know that?
Yes, they're called Trish and Sam. We've met them, and they're going to have twin babies.
That looks like a good car.
This is my favourite car. It goes really, really fast. Look.
That is a great car. My little boy, Peter, had one just like that, but he lost it at the beach.
Robbie,
Yeah?
will you give this car to Peter?
Really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Today, we're giving some of our old toys away, and I want this one to be Peter's.
Well, that's very kind. Tim, isn't it?
Yes.
Well, Tim, my little boy will take very good care of your car, and I'll make sure he doesn't lose it. Thank you. You're a very kind boy.
You did it, Tim.
Well done, Tim.
I'll never give you away, Little Moon Bunny. Never, ever. And I'll never give you away, Dr. Sausage, Dog and Eddie Teddy. I love you too. And that's when Mummy said, soon there will be new baby twins in this bedroom.
Soon, there will be new little baby twins in this bedroom, Topsy and Tim, and all their toys.
Oh, yes. Sam and Trish are going to have new twin babies, aren't they? Mummy, I'm going to find one last old toy to leave in this room for the new babies.
Oh, okay,
Me
Tim.
too.
All right, you two, but not right now. Back into bed and snuggle up. It's a great idea, and you can both do it in the morning. But right now, it's time for sleep. Night-night, Twin-tastic Topsy, Twin-tabulous Tim, and all your toys.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we cleared out some of our old toys. Can you remember which toy I gave to Robbie? Was it Chicky Duck? Or was it my fast flashing car? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is Tim's fast flashing car. Watch this. Robbie, Toby,
Yeah?
will you give this card to Peter?
Really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Today, we're giving some of our old toys away. And I want this one to be Peter's.
Well, that's very kind. Tim, isn't it?
Yes.
Well, Tim, my little boy will take very good care of your car, and I'll make sure he doesn't lose it.
Great game! That was good fun. See you soon. We can play